Okay, so we have the multiverse. This is a visual multiverse. So we have the uh, Schrodinger equation here. So the image is an infographic style illustration titled "The Multiverse" according to Schrodinger wave function in a tail decorative banner at the top left. So it uses a dark cosmic background filled with glowing stars here and spiral galaxies to visualize the concept of the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. So the graphic is structured around a central glowing while hub from which countless branching pathways extend outwards in a vibrant shade of blue. This one, purple, pink, and orange here. So this one. So these branches resemble both neural networks and glowing cosmic tendrils. So tendrils representing the infinite splitting of the reality. So the top center, the mathematics of reality. Beneath the title, there is a label reading Schrodinger equations here. So this one, Schrodinger equations. And below the equation is a 3D rendering. So we have a 3D rendering here. A wave function glowing blue ribbon with undulating peaks and valleys representing quantum probabilities before an observation. So this one is referred to this. So this one also. So the right quantum measurement here and branching. Attacks label the quantum measurement here. So we have the quantum measurement here and branching this one. So depicts the moment measurement occurs shown as a glowing pink and purple are colliding with the blue light here. So this one. Then a note below, it reads measurement to uh, event threads on branching. So we have the branching here. So that is the mean the meaning of that a measurement event triggers the branching realities. So branching realities here. So this point is split into two distinct outcomes. So outcome A here. So we have the outcome A, this one. So this is the outcome A. Shows an illustration of scientists in a lab actively observing a particle representing a reality where the measurement was taken. So this one. Then we have also the outcome B here, this one. The outcome B is shows scientists in the same lab, but they are not actively looking at the particle equipment, uh, representing a reality where a measurement did not occur. Okay. Then center and left here, parallel walls. So as the branches are spread out, they spread into circular vignette, vignette, vignette representing a different realities here. So we have the different realities here. So parallel worlds, this one. So we have the different realities here. We have the different choices, slightly different constant, slightly different constant, then cat alive versus cat dead here, cat alive and cat dead. So a world specific historical event, a circular image showing a person sitting uh, here. So world A here, so this one, specific historical events, a specific image showing a person sitting peacefully in a living room here. Then we have the world B here, alternate history. Next to it is a similar circular image labeled the world B here, alternate history showing a person looking out a window. Below that is another world B, showing the outdoor city seen with a person standing near greenery. This one. Yeah, we have the right side here, multiple parallel worlds and constant. So they are the multiple parallel worlds and constant here. So a branch extend to the right toward a label reading multiple parallel worlds. So we have multiple parallel worlds here. And we have the a long glowing pink beam travels across the right side. Attached to it are text labeled indicating types of differences that define these parallel worlds. So we have the different choices here. Slightly different constant, cat alive and cat dead, repeated twice here. So this one. So these are the uh, long glowing pink beam travels across the right side. So attached to it are texts labeled indicating types of differences that define these parallel worlds here. Then this references the famous Schrodinger's cat thought experiment, illustrating that different outcomes exist simultaneously. So the these references, so we have the number five. You have bottom right superposition and decoherence. So a label reads superposition and decoherence here. So this one, superposition and decoherence. Uh, it features a Venn diagram like graphic with the glowing hips, pink and purple overlapping. So this one overlapping. An arrow points to the separation of this hip. The caption explained the coherence makes the world distinct and not interacting here. So this one. The bottom center, Amori. So we have the countless simultaneous realities here. This one is written in large six. So to the far right, a final explanatory box outlines the core premises, the many worlds interpretation posits that all possible quantum outcomes are physically real in separate branches. So overall, the image uses a combination of physics equation, illustrative diagrams, and a vibrant cosmic imagery to explain that every quantum possibility creates a new separate branch of realities.